Today I am coming with one very interesting coloring tool, or you can say it a practicing tool for all the kids. So just try to make this at your home, and I bet you your kids will love this. So please try to make this for your kids and enjoy with them. So here it goes. Ding 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 ding. Whoa! So you can see this? It's a coloring tool. You can use any color of your choice. You can use more colors if you want. You can use only 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors, as much as you want. So what I did, how I made this, I use one glass, simple plain glass, and I stick this 3 colors with double tape, and then I fix them with this tape. Okay, so now it's demo time, how it will work. So here is a demo. I'm showing you how it works. Get this at a time. With this I can write A with 3 colors, B with 3 colors, and your kids can also draw patterns, and they just rotate. You can see kids can do many things with this DIY coloring tool. Glass, and here you go. Jisha, write A. Yes. So at a time you can write 3 different A's with different colors. Now draw some pattern here, Jisha, like zigzag or circle. Yes. So kids can try this activity and they will love doing this. Jisha, you enjoying practicing with this? Coloring, scribbling.